Chapter 5, Supportability, Logistic Management, Maintenance Planning, and Other Considerations. Section 1, Supportability Planning, Supportability Strategy. This supportability strategy, a government prepared working document that serves as a record planning, programming, execution, logistics, including performance-based logistics for acquisition program. The supportive strategy is based on an interlogistic framework of 10 integrated logistic elements. Defines the supportability analysis. SA will be used to throw out the system engineering process. Define system design support design, the initial support strategy prepared on CBT Dev integrated logistics lead system during the concept of refinement phase of providing program management, interlogistics support management will be established by the PM SIPT. Proposed support strategy is methodically gathered, review relevant logistics supportive analysis, assess and alternative system design support concepts that supporting analysis and documentation decision coordinated executes the selected logistics support concept. The supportive strategy serves as an official record to documentation of the action during the development, implementation, and integral logistics support management process. B. The use of supportive strategy maintains the audit trail of the changes in the effects of 1. Supporting plans, 2. Supporting budgets, including the LCC estimate reduction to the total ownership initiatives. 3. It's the concept support related goals, thresholds, including changes to definition. 4. Impacting the changes to SRO, supporting cost and interlogistic objectives, strategies, achieving the type of classification, standard full material release, FMR for the full rate production, FRP decision and system strategy for active level will be approved, managed, supportable, integrated product team. The SIPT, under purview of the PM, integrated logistic management, or the ILSM. The supportive strategy updated the program manager, coordinated by the CBD, Dev, DEV, supporting material command, Army, logistic, technical, operational test evaluators, or other program participants will be available for 60 days prior to the milestone B when no program manager exists prior to milestone P. B. The PEO will assign system responsibility, will lead effort, develop, and support a strategy. 2. In case of the CBT Dev integrated logistically, the performance program manager will develop an initial support strategy. Program milestone B that do not have support strategy will require 1 prior milestone C to address the integrated logistic plan during the development, production, fielding, and sustainment. This supportive strategy will be updated 1 prior to before the milestone decision reviews. 2. The new direction and received the pragmatic of the funding changes occurred. 4. Prior development solicitation documentation. 5. Prior to the requested material release positions from an agency not more than 3 years of the previous update. 7. The changing not easily handled administration notification. F. The minutes of the supportability integrated product team meetings will serve as the interim updates of the supported strategy. To approve the supported strategy within a supportable integrated product team will action and guide and for all integrated logistics support program participants. It will be used for assigning actions and schedule completion dates. 2. Prescribing system acquisition, system events and processes such as system engineering, contracting, manprint requiring integrated logistic action requirements for support, sustain, and the system after fielding. G. For the joint service acquisition program, Army leads of responsibility integrated logistics support will develop a support strategy coordination with participation services for the other programs. The Army representatives of supportive and supportability integrated product team will coordinate with the Army integrated support strategy. H. A supportive strategy is not required re-procurement of the system which the supportive strategy has previously developed and still current except for whether it's new make or model or manufacturer engineering changing the proposed resolution modification work orders that do not change with the system configuration. 3. The components having minor logistic impact. 5. I. The system will include the appendix details, plan, and timeline to achieve the various supported related to leading up to the TC and the FMR. C is Army 700-142, 700 AR 700-142. The supportive strategy will include addendum expanding the organic support kind provide for any system requiring contract support personnel forward maneuver area of the AR 759. Performance support strategy is provided in DPAM 700-56. 5. The supported analysis, logistic management, information supportability, design, and the characteristics of early focus of support strategy. Supportive activity should, Supportable analysis should result in the establishment and supported related parameters performance team. The system design progress of the supported analysis addresses supportability requirements provided and perform trade-offs against the requirements of system design. In order to effective analysis will conduct the framework of system engineering process. Examples of these analysis use of the lower task analysis, reliability production, reliability centered maintenance, RCMs, and LCCs analysis. The LM's logistics management information is support related engineering logistics data acquired for the contractor's products. Supportive analysis is used in the military preference 49506 and ANSI GEIA standard 007. The contractual methods of the logistic management information of the DoD uses the data existing in the DoD material management process, such as the initial provisions and cataloging item management, and if there are requirements for the contractor to provide the data in the government database, then it will be used. Necessary to specifically require data file format and data relationships as performance requirements of electric data interchanges. 5.3 Interlogistics Support Plan Considerations. Apply design interface of the other integrated logistics enablers for all acquisition systems. 1. Improve the reliability, maintainability of system components. 2. Use the RCM, the reliable center to maintenance process earlier to the design process. Develop a maintenance plan using systematic design, diagnostic, prognostic, including embedded health management capabilities with cost-effective. 4. Use embedded training operated maintainers. Support personnel use simulations and initiatives training strategies. 6. Optimization standard inoperable explanation standard is common in the reality and energy efficient power sources. 9. 8. Minimize hazardous material generation waste streams. 9. Evaluation environmental quality concerns air, noise, water quality, the weapon system production, maintenance, and operational disposal. Optimizing use of data collection programs for verifying reliability and maintainable purposes is the uniform identification code, automated identification technology to provide total asset visibility for the management of the Army material. 12. Defensive, decreasing logistic footprints and minimizing special tools, testing equipment and components. 3. Optimizing modular plug-and-play components. 14. Applying intelligent software automatically compensate detrimental operational codes. Assign Army maintenance system AR-750-1 using AILA to create the new net-centric Chloe in cooperation with the sale business architect process integration into the AILA integrated the AILA. Applying historical lessons learned in the accident and experience, minimize total ownership costs, and B. The inner logistics acquisition planning activities must coincide with developing acquisition strategy concurrent with integral to be the part of the system engineering for every support. C. The technology insertion strategies will be developed to minimize support burdens, reduce source requirements, reduce supportability risk related to potential unstable designs. E. Obsolescence, diminishing manufacturing source material shortages. DMSs, MSs will be addressed proactively as part of a program strategy. The program manager responsible for developing demilitarization disposal plans, conventional to organic capabilities. For example, defensive reutilization marketing service should be employed disposal to surplus unless alternative disposal strategy can be justified. Maximum use of extent of DoD automatic system families. Commercial off-the-set components that meet defined automatic test systems capabilities will be used in automatic test equipment, hardware, software needs based total ownership cost analysis over the complete system of life cycle. 5.4 Resources. The LCC is the total cost of the government and for the system over the entire life and required of the operation categories of all systems, including all costs of research, development, investigation, production, deployment, and including military construction, civil aviation, operating support, organic contractor personnel, supplies, operations, maintenance, training, disposal, includes the direct cost of the system, indirect that are logically attributed regardless of the funding source of management control. 1. By the milestone A, the combat developer will prepare rough orders of magnitude LCC estimates, including the ICD. The CBT DEV, in conjunction of the PM, will refine the LCC estimate. Milestone B, one supportable strategy is defined and updated operations supported cost of the CDD. Affordable plays in importing the program decision identification capability needs through the lifecycle program. Affordability is the joint capabilities integrated development system analysis program, which balances cost performances, establishing key performance parameters. Cost goals are established in terms of thresholds and objectives to provide flexibility for the program evaluation to support the trade-off of studies. 1. The cost of independent variables in acquisition strategy focus upon performance trainings and setting program formalized process of achieving affordable balances before the performance and scheduling objectives are set as early as possible, but no later than milestone B to manage risk of achieving cost, schedule, performance, and supportability objectives. Total ownership includes all costs associated with research, development, procurement, operating, logistics, disposal, individual weapon systems, as well as infrastructure of business processes. Costs necessary directly attributed to the program lifecycle. Logistic program objectives will establish and support reduction total ownership costs, which identifies operation support costs of the total ownership cost drivers, reduction over the total ownership opportunities, and metric measures. The cost reduction progress is the proper material will prepare, submit, define life cycle logistics resource requirements through the planning of program, budgeting system processes, and track funding for the resource execution performance matrix. 5 support testing evaluation. The program manager must adequately produce support concept program support resources prior to the fielding evaluation system. Supportability issues will be performed at the contractor government testing and other support sources, so preparing result evaluation analysis criteria based on stated system requirements and goals. Supportability testing, including controlled conditions of development, technology, and energy, representative field condition of operational technology and energy as CSN AR 73-1. Supportability testing will stress use of Army personnel skills and supported equipment, technical manuals, tools, TMDE, including embedded diagnostic prognosis instrument testing program system, TBCS testing program sets projected the operational environmental organization in which the system will be assigned. Supportable environmental issue demilitarization disposal requirements will include the temp 5.6 supportable testing restrictions. Section 2399 Title 10 U.S. Standard Code places specific restrictions on the contractor support during operational technology and energy military system contracting support during testing may utilize only the extent that is used that is planned to be used in the system deployed in the combat. The restriction on the use of contractor support during the operation of technology and energy may not be waived. Section 2 integrated logistics management structure.